Attorney General J.P. Nicholas designates the public auditor's attorney as special prosecutor with the task of determining whether fugitive former Attorney General Ed Buckingham should be extradited to the CNMI. In a letter dated December 17 and addressed to OPA legal counsel George Hasselback, Nicholas says he has determined that there are potential conflicts of interest that would prohibit him and his office from involvement in the extradition matter. He notes in particular that Civil Division Chief Gil Burnbrick represented Buckingham early on in the criminal case and may now owe the former AG a duty of loyalty as a former client. Nicholas also says he himself may be conflicted out due to his former position as legal counsel for the Commonwealth Ports Authority. Buckingham's criminal case, he notes, will likely involve testimony from CPA employees. In the letter, Nicholas writes, quote, "The mere possibility of perceived conflicts of interest in the operations of the OAG while under my leadership, let alone a manifestation of an actual conflict, would undermine my goal to reestablish public trust in the OAG. I cannot tolerate this," end quote. In designating Hasselback as special prosecutor, the AG says he believes in the attorney's ability to handle the extradition matter professionally and prudently. He also says Hasselback's involvement in the case as prosecuting attorney suggests that he would be the most appropriate candidate. At about 4:30 p.m. on Monday, Hasselback accepted the designation.
I've been asked to do a careful and thorough assessment of the factors involved in extradition. I'm going to do a careful and thorough assessment, and I will forward my recommendation on to the governor for his potential action on the governor's warrant.
If and when an extradition warrant is signed by the governor, then the request will go to the governor of the state where Buckingham lives, currently believed to be Iowa. Hasselback notes that extradition is a complicated process, and while there are tools available from the federal government to assist, the ultimate responsibility for extradition will rest with the Commonwealth.
This is a process that has to be followed. You have to go through it step by step, and I don't want people to have the expectation that, you pick up a phone, dial an 800 number, and within 48 hours, just like ordering something from Amazon, someone is returned to the Commonwealth. It doesn't work that way. It is a process that takes some time, and it takes following the process to make it happen.
Nicholas has requested that Hasselback submit his recommendations to the governor by January 10, 2013, a deadline Hasselback says he will make. KSPN tried to obtain comment from Nicholas as well, but we're told he's off island until later this week.